So now we are being nice. Again, here is a cash farm. Again, nothing's done. We could do environmental protection for 15. Best management practice 10. Efficient water use is also 10. Okay. Do we want to build anything? I can't remember how many. Let's see. We have some statistics over here on food. I think the red line is negative and the blue lines are positive. So if we only look on food, we're doing good on food. Funds are negative, which you can also see here. Energy is positive, no? Energy is positive actually, even though it said it went down. Population growing. Ecosystem scores also. Water use building has been going up. Water use ecosystem constant. And the score, our score has increased a bit recently. Overall score, which is a combination of all these. Yeah. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, that's the same thing. This is information. And these are our targets. Right. We haven't made any towns, villages, have we? So people are living here and there. Should we give them a town? Too expensive? Then we borrow money. Let's build a town somewhere. No, we can't actually. Yeah, that's right, we don't have the money for it. Okay, we'll run. Hope to get some more money. Let's see, we have 15 minutes left. So we haven't reached any of these yet. We still have food farms and cash farms to develop, and now also grassland, forest, wetland. Jesus, this is going to be a long stretch of dry years is finally over. Normal rain again. All right, let's construct a lot. What have we had? We have some money. Cash and food farms or what? Or what do you want? Cash farm. Cotton over here. Any more? More cash? Yes? Millet? No, second, or is this one? Groundnut? Yeah. Let's see where we can put it there. But it's going to take 2 rounds before it's there. Anything else we want to do? Did we build a town ever? I can't remember. Food farm. Let's see if we can build a food farm. Millet, maize, sorghum. Sorghum, we haven't tried sorghum. And that'll also take 1 turn. Any more? No? Yes? No? Run. We have, this is run number 9. We only got 13 minutes left, so now we're going to sort of run one every minute, right? And so what do you want to do next time? Bit depending on, we still haven't, I mean, we have all these goals. There was 6 cash. No, 6 food, or how was it? I can't remember. 6 food. Energy demand is soaring, and we don't have enough energy. Okay. Water is needed. We have some water shortage still, and then pollution also starts. Look at the, yeah, oh dear. Oh, it's not easy to be a president or whatever we are. Okay. Build that. Maize farm, let's see what we have efficient use, but we don't have best management will improve on the water quality, right? Let's see if we can do that a few places maybe. I think there was another one up here. Oh, this one, look at this sign here. Let's just see what, but we already have this, but still it's actually polluting, so we can't really do much more about that, I think. But maybe it's generally polluted in this area. Let's see what we have. Cotton plantation, nothing. Veg management. Here, sorghum, pest management. The village, we have water conservation. I don't know whether we can only do one thing. Yeah. Now we have more water, so let's improve the quality standards. Yeah. The power plant, best management is there, clean air, energy demand. But it's either or, you cannot have both. But maybe once it's there, that's right. So we confirm this also. Let's run because we're running out of time. We didn't build anything though. We better build something next time. And forest, 8 forests, and I mean, this is really.
But we can't borrow money.
Wetter, yeah, than usual. Okay, now flooding probably occurs. But let's build some stuff. Let's just see maybe a status where we are on these things. If that's overall score is so-so. Energy is low. I think we should probably make some more power plants. Can I make a wind plant? Wind. We'll put that down here. But we also, I think, low on some of these food and other things. I'll just put some more food. Yeah. Do we want more livestock or? Okay. Again, not so many vegetarians around here. Let's see. Oh, place building. Anything else? What else should I build? Grassland. Let's see. This I think is so grassland somewhere. Oh yeah, that's true. It should actually, but it's included in the farm, I think. Anything else? What do we want to build? More wind energy? In the coastal area, okay. I'll make another cash crop somewhere. Yeah. We don't have much time left.
Wow, you see speed में चल रहा है.
We did the farms, okay. But cottage industry, we didn't do any mines at all, right? Villages and so on. Mines and cottage. So, let's see. Still a wetter year. What do you want to build? Mines. We put a mine somewhere. It cost 100. That's pretty expensive. What else do we want to build? Wetland. Do we agree? Put that up here maybe where we can. Anything else? Industry. Let's see, an industry. Cottage industry, we don't have any of those, right? Let's see where we have room for that here maybe. Do you want to build more cottage? Yeah, there was a lot of those. Okay, place building, now we better run. We're only at 11, and they take a while to actually come about. Maybe I'll make a few steps forward, just run a few times without building anything. Speed it up. Wetter year than usual. A town, yeah. Still, it's a wetter year. There's a suggestion to build a town. So we'll put a town somewhere here maybe. Yeah. What else do we build? Industry. Primary processing. Cottage. In the lower parts. Yeah. Anything else? What do you want? Farm? So we want to make some food or? Yeah. What? Maize, millets, livestock, sorghum? Sorghum, somebody said. Do we want to build some more? We actually we've done the food actually. We're out of what? Of cash, yeah. And okay, now I run once, but now we have more food than the target, right? Yeah, I think the target was 6. We export, yeah, but I think in this game, once you reach the target, you should better look at the other targets. There was lots of wetlands we haven't done. Now we're back to normal, a normal year. Should we just look at so on the targets here? No, where were the targets? Here. We have the 6 food farms and 3 cash farms, but we don't have the cottage industries, the mines, town, villages, cities, grassland, all these things, right? So what do you say you want? Cottage industry? So cottage here, one more cottage. And a mine. These are expensive, but okay, we'll make one more wine.
And one
Processing unit. See, what are these? Primary processing. We don't have money for it. So we go. And these also take a while still to run. I think this town will be coming soon. But I mean, at least I think you can see, you get the idea, and you can, when time is there, you can also slowly see how is your score developing. And now we have low energy. So we should make some more energy, and now we start building a bit late, but it's often like that in the real world, right? It's not until people start complaining that you start building, which is then ready in 5 years, right? Okay, but still, what energy do we want? Coal, wind, coal? I think there's a majority for wind. Yeah, we put it in coastal area, that's right. Anything else we need to build? Grassland, and a grassland village, processing. Let's take them one by one. Somebody said, oh, not a dam, sorry. Grassland, somebody said, we'll put that maybe here. And then processing units. One more of those, okay. Let's see if we can find a place where this can be. Here we go. And then what? Run? Okay. Yeah. It's, like I said, tea break is now, and then you have time off until lunch, which is 2. So maybe we can just get it up to 20 runs. Drier year than usual. Let's see, how far are we? We have 16 runs, 4 more runs to go. We have only this one ticked off. Still, it's a drier year than usual. You want to do anything? Still want to make a wetland? No, sorry, that was the dam. Where's the wetland, grassland, wetland? Let me just run again because time is short. The production of 1 kilogram of beef requires approximately 15,000 liters of water. normal year. We only have a few rounds left. You still want to?
We're running out of energy.
Energy is very low. But if we build it takes 2 turns for the coal, so we can hardly make it. So 1 turn for the wind power. So if we make a few of those, maybe. In Denmark, it's 50% of our energy that comes from wind. I'll make 1 more. And then run. And tell you what, I think we'll just finish, so I'll just run again and then that's it. Energy is still low. Water is a bit low. We'll run the last one.